So here we are on I think it's called Front Street maybe, in Ketchikan, Alaska. Here's the Carnival Miracle, the ship we're on. Celebrity Millennium up there. We're just going to walk along here a little bit. But first I want you to see that. Yeah, that's right. Hi! No, she's getting a free charm in one of these free charm places.
Oh, okay.
By the way, thanks for being in my video.
Oh, you're welcome. Wait, right here.
Everybody is. So it's a boardwalk with a parking lot and another free charm. The sun is coming out for the first time in like 5 days. I'm going to walk down here. Not sure why that sign's there. Here's another gift shop. Let's just cut through really fast. Lots of Alaska stuff in here. Lots of it. Oh, look at this stuff. Oh, I can't get out that way. Let's go back this way. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. Chocolate bars, 50% off. Somebody commented once on my Ketchikan videos, Christmas in Alaska is the best store here, and I should go. So maybe I will, maybe I won't. Here comes Janet. Let's walk out here a little bit. I think the sourdough cab is coming this way.